Okay, guys, I believe I am recording. Yeah, okay. So I'm going to show you how to import a template to post my party from your email. And this is where I share a template with you through your email address, and then you can upload it in and edit it for yourself, and then I'll show you how to set up parties as well. So you are going to go ahead and open up your Post My Party website and sign in, and then you are also going to sign into your email. Let's see. I'm going to need to charge this in a second. So in your email, you're going to see these emails from Post My Party. You have received a template. So you're going to click on this link here, and it's going to pop up just like this. This is the very first day of the template. Let's see. Give me. Okay, hold on one second. Okay, sorry about that. So one note, you are going to want to make sure that when you start recording when you start editing a template, that you're going to have enough time to at least get through those slides on that template, and it should just take a few minutes. So this is what it looks like. This is the very first one. You see your template name, you see what type of post it is, and here you see your original message in the box that's grayed out, and then the box that says message is in white. Down below you see a picture, what day the template is going to start on or post on, and what time it's going to post. So this one is a football themed. So what I'm going to do is, even though there's this red spot in here, I'm going to select all, copy, and paste. And me, I have changed up my templates to where I do not have the asterisk, so that is going to change there. Read through this, and when you're happy with that, scroll down and click next. All right, this is a picture as well. You can see up here it has the word link, and I'll show you how to go through and fix that once, or what that does as soon as we set up our parties. You do not need to do anything with that, except make sure you copy and paste it into the following box. So to save it, we hit next. And we're just going to do the same thing throughout this whole file until we come to another type of post. Most of them are going to be pictures. You could come across one that has a message only like this. There is no picture at all. You can also come across some that are videos. And if that's the case, you'll see video on here. And you'll see something just like this. You'll see original video URL, and then you'll see video URL below it. You'll simply copy the original URL in the grayed out box and paste it to the white box. All right, so we are just going to keep going here. Here's another link with a recipe and a photo. All right. And these all have the link in them, so we're not going to have to do anything with that just yet. All right. So you can see how simple this is. Scroll down some, paste it there. Scroll down again and hit next. Whatever you put in this white box here is what is going to show up on your message when it posts to your party. So do not forget about that. All right. Okay. And at the end, it'll say finish, and your template will show up just like this, showing you all of the messages, all of the pictures, the day they post, and what time they're going to post. So we're going to go back to templates. I'm going to open up one that I know has a video in it, hopefully, and show you what those links look like. Let's see. Yes. So if you have a website message, this is what it looks like when you're editing. If you have a website message or a video message, how it has video URL, when you're importing it, you'll see one kind of like what we were just looking at. It would say original video URL, and it would have this URL in it. Then you would copy from that grayed out box and paste it right to here, just like we did with all of our templates. Now I'm going to show you the parties. Okay, so we do one-day parties. Sorry, not one-day parties. We do 6 parties, and we do 1 template per day. So that's why it looks like there are a lot of parties going on. I'm going to be working on Carol's party. You can see here we started it today, and then I have another template starting tomorrow. So what we're going to do for our daily templates is this. You go to schedule new party. When you choose your template, you're going to pick which one you would like to do. Let's see, I'm going to do breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Let's see, no, I'm going to do, how about entertaining? Personal event is what kind of event it was on Facebook. You're going to click on the drop-down menu here and choose whose show you want it to go under, which is Carol's, and what day you want it to start on. This is the important part. Her party is starting today, but we already have the template for today and tomorrow. Since this is the 3rd day, we're going to start it on the 8th. And we're going to choose our time zone. Now remember those spots where it had the words host and link? So you're going to come here and put the hostess's name. Oop. All right, and then, my bad, I need to go and grab my link off of there. Bear with me for 1 second. All right. So on the link, you're going to put her show link right there. And what that's going to do is everywhere that you had that word link, it's going to put her link right in there. All right, and you can see here that day is done. I just was checking it real quick. So back to parties. So now she has a template for the 6th, the 7th, and the 8th. So to get Thursday set up, I'm going to go back. I'm going to choose a different template. Personal event. Everything is going to be the same except for the template and the start on date. We started last one on Wednesday the 8th, so we'll start this one on the 9th. And where's that? We're going to choose our time zone and put the name here. Okay, click create. And I'm just checking my posts real quick to make sure they're updated for November. So they look like they are. So everything you can see here. And I am going to take this post out because her party already has a roll call. So actually I'll go in and we will put another game. So I'm just going to go through, this is my Pampered Chef folder, so excuse all the, let's see, games. What kind of game should we play? We're going to do this one. And we're just going to say, let's start the day with a little fun. Okay, so when I do that in the party, it is not going to change the entire template. It is only going to change the post in this specific party. All right, so I'm going to update back to parties. Now she has today, tomorrow, Wednesday, and Thursday. So I just need to do one for Friday and one for Saturday. So for Friday, we are going to do, I need to create a Thanksgiving one. I love the one and done power tools, and I also love the pantry day. Pantry day is a great one because it's full of products that, you know, if they buy them, they're going to want to restock on them because they enjoy them so much. One and done power tools are our large, the prices are higher up there. So they are like the power tools to use, and the tools that you want to maybe book your parties on, because they're going to be more expensive. So people are going to want to book a party to get those for cheaper. I'm going to do the pantry day because I know this host has specifically mentioned that you know, she didn't think her friends would be able to purchase much. So I'm going to do pantry day just because that is some smaller items that are wonderful items, but they're cheaper priced. They are, you know, smaller, a little bit less in pricing, which that doesn't mean anything. There's still going to be lots of great items in there. I just need to stop talking while I type, don't I? I'm messing up. That is Piper. We're almost done, baby girl. All right, so pantry day is set up here. And you can see her link is in there. Most of these templates are going to be mainly pictures now that we have started putting our links in each message. So you can see all the days she has there. We're going to do one more. And I always start my party off with the welcome and introductions, and then I always try and end it with closing day, because my closing day template has a lot of stuff in it about booking, about the business, and I like to strategically place those. So same thing we've done on every other one. All right, so this is all set up, and we do need to change this. I'll change that here in a few minutes though. So when you're at your party, that's that. And then you're gonna go back to parties, and you're gonna see her entire party, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days. All right, so I would suggest doing, if you have multiple parties, I'd suggest doing one parties whole week for at one time, and then moving to the next so it doesn't get confusing. So this is how to import and how to schedule a new party, and a little bit of editing in there too as well. I hope this comes in handy for you guys. I hope this really helps. Let me know if it doesn't. Let me know if you need some extra help in there as well. All right, y'all have a great day. Bye, guys.